Looking for a Raclette grill that can actually handle a full table without turning dinner into a waiting game? I compared 5 popular options, and the differences become pretty clear once you look beyond the basic specs. Taking first place is the Artestia, mainly because it gives you more ways to cook than anything else in this ranking. It serves up to 10 people, so if your Raclette nights usually involve a crowded table, that extra capacity matters, and this is where it gets interesting. You get a reversible aluminum plate for grilling on one side and flat-top cooking on the other, plus a separate granite stone. Compared with the other models here, that gives you much more choice. You can grill meat and vegetables one evening, then switch to the stone when you want slower, more traditional tabletop cooking. But there is a trade-off. This is also the biggest and heaviest grill in the group at about 20 pounds and more than 24 inches wide. So if you have a small table or want something you can easily move in and out of a cabinet, models like the Cusimax or Hamilton Beach are easier to live with. For larger families, dinner parties, or anyone who wants both a granite stone and a regular grill plate in one package, this is the strongest all-around choice. If you prefer something more compact and a little more traditional though, the next model makes a lot of sense. Links to all the products in this review at the best available prices are in the description below the video. In second place is the Swissmar Classic. For me, this is the model that feels most focused on the classic Raclette experience, rather than simply trying to be a large electric tabletop grill. The reversible cast aluminum plate gives you a textured side for grilling and a smooth side for crepes, eggs, or vegetables. It also has variable heat control, and its smaller footprint makes it easier to place on a dining table than the larger Artestia. Swissmar also offers a solid accessory ecosystem, which is useful if you plan to keep the grill for years. The main limitation is power. At 1,200 watts, it sits below the 1,500 watt Artestia, Cusimax, and Techwood models. And unlike the Artestia, a granite stone is not included. That is not necessarily a deal breaker, especially for cheese-focused Raclette, but heavier grilling may take a little more patience. If you want a compact, purpose-built Raclette grill with a more traditional feel, the Swissmar is easy to recommend. But if raw heating power and a larger grill surface matter more to you, the third place model becomes very interesting. And if this comparison is helping you, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Third place goes to the Cusimax. On paper, this one looks simple, but its combination of high power, a large cooking area, and relatively low weight makes it one of the most practical options here. You get 1,500 watts and a 19 by 9 inch reversible plate. One side is ridged for meat and vegetables, while the flat side works better for eggs, pancakes, or smaller foods. Compared with the Swissmar, you get more power and more cooking space, while the roughly 7.4 pound weight makes it much easier to move than the Artestia. But you do lose some variety. There is no granite stone included, and all 8 diners share the same temperature setting. So while it is flexible, it is still more of a straightforward grill and griddle setup than the more complete Artestia package. If you want strong heating, plenty of surface area, and something that does not feel oversized, the Cusimax hits a very good middle ground. If easy cleanup matters even more than maximum heat, the next grill may suit you better. At number 4 is the Hamilton Beach, and its biggest strength is convenience. This is the sort of Raclette grill that makes sense when you want dinner to be fun, without creating a pile of cleanup afterward. The 200 square inch cooking surface gives 8 people plenty of room, and the top combines grill and griddle textures. The removable plate, trays, and accessories are dishwasher safe, which is a real practical advantage. At around 7 pounds, it is also one of the lightest models in this comparison. The compromise is that its 1,300 watt output sits between the Swissmar and the 1,500 watt models. It also skips the granite stone, so it does not give you the same range of cooking styles as the Artestia. If you mainly care about high temperature grilling, the Cusimax or Techwood looks stronger on paper. But for families who value simple cleanup, manageable weight, and an easy 8-person setup, the Hamilton Beach is a very sensible choice. And that brings us to the final model, which has plenty of power but comes with a few more question marks. Fifth place goes to the Techwood, and I want to be clear, fifth does not mean weak. With 1,500 watts and a stated temperature range up to 536 degrees Fahrenheit, this is actually one of the hotter grills in the lineup. Its 19 by 9-inch reversible plate gives you the same basic flexibility as the Cusimax, with a ridge side for grilling and a flat side for griddle-style cooking. 8 individual pans handle the cheese underneath, so for a normal family or small group, the capacity is right where you would expect it to be. The reason it finishes lower is not the heating performance. The bigger issue is that fewer convenience features and support details are clearly documented compared with the other models. It also lacks a granite stone and still uses one shared temperature control. So the raw specifications are strong, but the overall package feels less complete. If your priority is high heat and a large reversible surface, the Techwood is still worth considering. But if you want the most balanced package, stronger accessory support, or easier cleanup, the higher-ranked models give you clearer advantages. Check the top Raclette grills using the links in the description below the video, especially if you want to compare current prices before choosing. And if the video helped you narrow things down, like it and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward product comparisons.